I'm here to tell you about the main features of the UZ158MHC330-340-60 HC solar module series produced by 𝐊𝐞𝐲 photovoltaic technology company. This module series includes 3 models, conveniently ranging from 330 to 340 watts peak. Stable power output is guaranteed with 0 to 5 watts positive power tolerance. The product incorporates 2 of the most prominent of the new high-efficiency technologies, PERC and half-cell. PERC, which stands for Passivated Emitter and Rear Cell, is a new technology designed to raise solar energy conversion efficiency in modules by adding a dielectric passivation layer on the rear of the solar cell. This facilitates electron movement in the cell and bounces solar light back to the cell, giving it a second chance to capture electrons that in conventional modules will otherwise simply pass through and be absorbed by the module's backsheet, creating additional heat and decreasing the module's performance. Half-cell or split-cell technology is another tool helping to improve solar modules' performance. Simply speaking, this is the process of splitting standard solar cells in half by a laser beam. This allows the creation of a bigger number of solar cells, 120 instead of 60 in the case of this product. Such cell architecture creates several important benefits. If we cut a cell in half, in turn it reduces the electrical current in the cell by half, therefore cutting electrical losses. Twice higher number of cell strings provide better shade tolerance. Even if some strings are affected by the shade, the remaining strings will generate power. Half cells ensure better durability. Smaller individual cell size reduces the stress on cell interconnection caused by heating and cooling of modules every day and decreases the risk of micro cracks and hotspot temperature. Overall, the use of these advanced technologies allow us to offer a product with high conversion efficiency up to 20.1%, outstanding power output even in low light conditions, and long-term operational stability and reliability. Maximum system voltage for this series is 1,500 volts, which reduces installation costs and offers possibility for balance of system cost optimization by reducing the number of inverters and other system components. The product is IEC 61215 and IEC 61730 certified by TÜV Rheinland. Excellent potential induced degradation resistance is confirmed by the strict 96 hours testing at 85 degrees Celsius with 85% humidity. Tempered low iron glass and silver anodized aluminium frame ensure high impact resistance. The module is certified to withstand hail with ice balls of 45 mm diameter at 30.7 meters per second velocity, as well as 5,400 Pascal front mechanical load. Module's weight is 19.1 kilograms and we pack 31 pieces per box with 806 pieces in a standard 40-foot high cube container. We are a professional manufacturer of photovoltaic modules with our own highly automated production base with 2 gigawatts annual capacity. State-of-the-art equipment, highly experienced production team, dedicated research and development department and thorough control and testing procedures allow us to produce high quality products for global customers.